I felt like that I needed or wanted to explore other things. I felt like getting older and, the libido and drive and that sort of thing, just noticing that it's slowing down and felt like it needed some help. And we heard actually from some others that these sort of treatments work really well. I actually met Dr. Carrozzella and talked with him just through a social event. And once I heard that there was actually something here, I really didn't know it. We're new to Florida. I decided to try it out. I found everything here friendly. I mean, he's very friendly. The people have been very friendly. I was probably a little nervous about coming in for something like this, but that went away really fast. I think basically what gave me confidence were the results. I mean, once we decided to do treatments, I found that I could notice a difference very quickly. For the first time in my life, got a pellet. I've known about pellets. My wife's have had them. I never really thought about it, but that was an initial treatment. And then the other treatment that I've had is the PulseWave. It doesn't hurt. I was curious if it's going to hurt and what it's going to do and that sort of thing. It doesn't hurt at all. It seemed to produce some immediate results in that basically made my penis larger, different. It has some pretty amazing results. Process first, I mean, the pellets changes how you feel. It makes you want to have sex more often. It changes your sex life in some really good ways. The PulseWave, as I mentioned, it kind of physically changes your penis, all in good ways, and seems to last. I mean, I think I come in about every 4 months, I guess it is, to have that again, and I would continue doing that. It works. My life has changed dramatically. I'm 73 years old. I didn't expect to be having the kind of fun and enjoyment that I'm having right now. It's absolutely amazing. I actually told Dr. Carrozzella that it was, to be honest, it was on Thanksgiving Day. I sent him a text and I said, I want to thank you for what you've done and the people here have done for my sex life and the happiness that my wife and I are having.